Hi, today in front of you OnePlus 11 and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So let's first open the settings application and then tap to connection and sharing. Here you'll see NFC section, tap on it, and to activate NFC click once on the switcher. If you want to switch your default payment method, the application, you should just click to default payment app and switch your currently application to Google Pay or just back. And just to turn off the NFC, we should use the switcher once again. Also, we got one more way how we can do that. Just open notification panel, shortcuts, and you'll find here the NFC icon. Just tap on the icon to activate it, and to turn it off, click on this icon once again. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.